this way too. Oh yeah.
Okay, take out my headlights.
This looks brutal. We're losing the windshield. We're gonna lose the windshield, man.
There we go.
Windshield's gone.
Yep. Dude, it's gonna take out the front one too.
Crap.
Yeah, it's gonna take out the front. Oh man, check that one out. Oh my gosh. Oh, I took out the back one. Oh man.
Really? Was that necessary?
Dude, it's gonna take out the front one too.
Crap. Count to 10, slowly.
Now hold it.
Count to 10.
I'm just looking at the time thing on the top. Heck yeah! I-10 US 60 interchange. Lots and lots of hail fell here. Traffic went from free-flowing to heavily backed up instantly.
Daddy, you just missed the lightning strike.
Can you guys see the rainbow over there?
Yeah.
Here's your cart going through it. Oh my god.
Oh, that's bigger. Some of these are almost golf balls. Get that fucking thing.
Me neither. Are you kidding me?
Shit.
Whoa! Now we got a hole. Oh my gosh.
You weren't even recording on this.
You're kidding me.
No.
Oh man. Oh, it wasn't even. Oh my god. Kidding me.
Did it take the mirror out? Shit.
Oh my gosh.
Dude, now
if this is all this is gonna happen, we could at least be getting softballs. Like, what the hell? Oh my gosh, dude. We didn't lose any other windows, did we? No? Oh my gosh, I have glass all over me. Same here. Hail punched through the windshield. Gosh.
Yeah, it's pretty beat up.
It's really bad.
It's beat up.
More sporadic, but they're going to get bigger, I think.
What are these, like golf balls?
Yeah, these are, some of them are hen eggs.
Well, I guess you're not running those sprinklers now, are ya? $1,900.
Nope.
size. Ah, getting soaked, getting cold. Oh God. We lose any glass? Jesus. That was the biggest hail. Oh, I got.
Oh my God. So which mirror did you lose?
The passenger side mirror.
Oh, passenger mirror.
Yep. Shadows. That's like it's gone. Wow.
That was insane.
That was intense.
It was.
That poor guy's camper. Holy shit.
Louise.
Yeah, I mean, this fucking.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Windshield shattered. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Wow, look at the side there.
Wow.
Look at all this.
Yep.
Holy. Look at this.
Look at the hail.